Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about using formulas, okay, which is a lot about what algebra is about. So our heading is using formulas. I just want to check that you can see it. Yep, perfect. Okay, so let's start off with, and this is all about substitution, which you've done before. So if we have a formula that goes F equals 9c, that means divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, so F, whatever that is, we're going to find out, is equal to 9c. So that means that 9 is multiplied by whatever c is, okay, and then divided by 5 plus 32. So you understand how that works. Now, if the question will say, substitute, because we've heard that word before, remember we put it in its place, substitute the value of the c is equal to 29. Right, so now we go again, we start off, we go, and they want to know what is F. And what this actually is how you change Fahrenheit, which is what Americans use for temperature, into Celsius, which is what we use for temperature. So we go, F is equal to, now we know it's 9 times C, and they said C is 29. So we go 9 times 29, okay, divided by 5 plus 32. So now we go, okay, F is equal, right, 9 times 29. So we, on our piece of paper, we go 29 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81, so we carry an 8. 2 times 9 is 18, and 8 is 26. Okay, so now we've got, have I done that right? Yeah, no, 9 times 9. Oh, no, I didn't do that right. I hope you picked up my mistake. 20, yeah, that is right. 9 times 9 is 81. 2 times 9 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That is right. 261 is right. So we go 261 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay. So now we've got to say how many times does 5 go into 261. So 261. 5 can't go into 2, but 5 can go into 26 5 times with a remainder of 1. 5 can go into 11 twice. Now it's got a remainder with a remainder of 1. Put a decimal there. 5 goes into 10 twice. So we can see our answer is 52.2. So 5 goes into 261 52.2 times. So we've said how many times does the bottom go into the top, because that's an improper fraction, plus 32. So if we do 52.2 plus 32, put a 0 to fill that in, that's 2, that's 4, that's 8. F is equal to 84.2. So what I did was I changed my C to what they told me to, and then I followed, multiplying, dividing, and then adding, and it finally got me to my end answer. So when you're using a formula, that's how you do it. Let's do one more, just so that you can get an idea. I'll turn my page over. Let's do, let me just find one that makes sense to us. Okay, so this one, they say the amount in C dollars, so they're saying C dollars. Maybe it's a good idea to write it out like I am. To be paid for the mobile bill is found in the formula. C equals R plus 0.5 L plus 0.2 T. Right, so we know C are dollars. R is the rental. of the equipment. So there's our R there. Rental of, I'll just put equip. Okay. L is the number of calls made. Calls made. Okay. T are the text messages sent. Text messages sent. Okay. So, we've got C dollars, R rental, L 0.5 L. So we know we've got to multiply 0.5 times by the number of calls made, plus 0.2 times by T, the text messages sent. Okay. So, they say when the rental, so they're telling us that the rental is $32. There are 110 calls, 25 text messages. Okay, how much is the bill? Right, so let's do our equation. C is the money, so that's what we want to find out, equals. R is the rental. What was the rental? 32, so we've got 32, and then we've got to add. Then we've got to say 0.5 times by L. What was L? The number of calls. How many are the calls? 110 calls. Let's put that in brackets because it's a multiplier. Plus, now we know that this is going to be 0.2 times by T, which were the text messages, and there were 25. And that'll give us what our cost is. So let's work out this. 0.5 times 110 is 55. Okay, because it's half of 110. And 0.2 times 25. Let's just do that over here. So we've got 25 times 2 is 50. But there's one decimal place there, so the answer will be 5. Okay, so now we're going C is equal to 32 plus 55 plus 5. So we go 32, 55, and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1. That's 8, 9. So the cost is equal to $92. Okay, and when you do these working out, please do it on a separate piece of paper, not on your paper. Right, go ahead and let's do 3.3.